Silver Young Solo Traveler. This is Aya. So today there are 11 secrets that someone learned working in a hotel, and it's an article written by Elaine Laney of Smarter Travel. So she titled a travel tip and advice, 11 secrets that she learned working in a hotel. Seeing the inner working of a hotel was eye-opening and taught me a number of tips and tricks to make my personal travel life better. Practices across hotel and hotel chains tend to be pretty similar, so her advice can help us no matter where we are going. White sheets look cleaner, and they usually are. The sheets are white so they can be bleached out. If there is evidence of body fluid, hotels soak them in a solution overnight to disinfect and remove the stain. Treatment like this are fairly common, and sheets wear out quickly. They typically don't last more than a year and are frequently replaced. Also, housekeepers replace all linen in the room, even if one of the beds doesn't look like it has been slept in. When I stay at a hotel, I usually feel pretty confident the sheets are clean. Odds are good you can get a last-minute deal. Hotels don't fill up as often as you would think. It always seems that way when you are a traveler and you get to your crowded hotel on a holiday weekend. But there is almost always a room available. What this means is, if you're looking to save money on a hotel room, odds are good that you will be able to get a last-minute deal on it, especially if you don't go during peak travel date. If you do not go during peak travel date, don't sleep with the bedspread on. Bedspread are almost never washed between guests. What that mean? That means the previous guests, they change all the linen except the bedspread. They don't wash it often. That's what it means. So just don't use it to cover yourself, please. In fact, if I see a patterned bedspread in the picture of a hotel online, I won't book it. That's what she's saying. I look for a hotel room with all white linen. So, if there is flowers, just don't book it on the linen. Everything has to be white. All the linen has to be white. Then you book it. If you check online, okay? Some things that has to be clean between guests, okay? If it's a white linen, you are sure that they are washed. If you do get a hotel room with a bed sheet or anything else decorative on the bed, like pillows, take it off before you sit or sleep on the bed. That's the advice. Bring a bleach wipe. Now with the pandemic, we all carry this. The TV remote is one of the grossest things in a hotel. You can wipe it down with a bleach wipe or put one of the plastic bag from the ice bucket over it. Microwave, fridge, coffee maker, ice bucket, phone, and over high touch area of the room are all full of germs because you're not the only one using these items. Be wary of booking with an online travel agency. Be wary. Online travel agency can be one of the worst places to book your hotel. You are not able to get an upgrade and you are usually assigned the worst room in a hotel. Did you know this discount exists? Let's talk about saving money. Hotel employee says that there are a lot of discount hotel offer that traveler often forget to ask. Yes, we do not ask for all of this discount because most of the people don't know about them. So now you guys know. These include hospital rate. Hospital rate mean you have a relative or a child sick and you go to a new place and you stay in a hotel while the surgery or the treatment's going on. So you can ask the hotel for hospital rate because you are not on vacay. You are there for something important, life-saving. Okay, extended stay rate. Extended stay rate, if you're there for a surgery for cancer or something that is going to be longer than the weekend, extended stay rate. Ask for it. Corporate rate. You work for a huge company, you travel a lot, there are corporate rate. Even you ask it, you will get it. Attraction discount. Okay. Attraction discount. You're there for something, you're not going to sit in a hotel all day long. You want to see what this city offer for tourists. Okay, you can have a discount. The best part is university. Let's talk about university rate. Right now we are in May and people are traveling for graduation. If you stay in a hotel, ask for university rate. Okay, so this you're gonna save some money on your stay there for the graduation of your grandchild, of your children, whoever, cousin, you name it. It's a graduation time in May and June everywhere. Now, joining the hotel loyalty program can pay off. Yeah, look. All the big chain of a hotel, they have loyalty. If you stay in that hotel most of the time, everywhere where you go, you can have a discount as well, it said. So, joining hotel loyalty program can pay off. Then she talked about bed bugs are common, but you should check. You need to check the bed bug. You don't want to bring them to your home, right? You can check for bed bugs in the back of the mattress by pulling up the sheet and searching between the fold. Fortunately, bed bugs are very common, but they can be easy to bring home if they are in your hotel room. So you should always look for them before settling in. Carpet are rarely clean. That one most of the people know. So please bring some slippers before you walk on the carpet barefoot. Don't walk on the carpet with barefoot. Las Vegas hotel employee reveal hotel carpet get shampoo once a year at best. Instead of walking on a carpet barefoot, you can ask the front desk for slippers or bring your own. Yeah. You can help the housekeeper out. So much of housekeeper job involve repetitious physical tasks that are hard on the body. You can help out housekeeping by taking the sheet, pillowcases, and duvet off the bed. Making your bed actually make the housekeeper job harder. You can also make a single pile of used towel on the floor, on the bathroom floor, to help your housekeeper out. And don't forget to tip. These people are not well paid, so they relied on the little tip that you leave behind. Thank you for that. You can borrow a cell phone charger from the hotel. Forget something? Call the front desk. They may be willing to lend out items from the lost and found. One of the most common items left by past guests is a cell phone charger. People forget the cell phone charger, and if you left yours at home, you can ask the front desk and they can borrow you one. If you forget yours, you may be able to get one from the hotel lost and found collection. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it like I did. Bye bye.